Marquez disappeared to his ninth German MotoGP win, leading from 9th to flag at the Sachsenring. The factory Ducati star 69th MotoGP wins. In his 200th Premier Class start, extend his unbeaten run to 8 races in a row, including sprints. Costly for Fabio Di Gianantonio and Marco Bezzecchi promoted the injured Alex Marquez to second, when Francesco Bagnaia completed the rostrum from 10 to the grid, with the lineup already reduced to 18 riders. Accident and collisions saw just 10 of them reach the checkpoint flag. After a wet Saturday and morning wrap-up, the clouds cleared for a dry 2-lap Grand Prix, with all riders choosing the hard fronts and medium wheel slick. Marquez launched from pole to lead into the turn 1, with Marco Bezzecchi, Fabio Di Gianantonio and Alex Marquez following. Di Gianantonio was soon in second but could not keep pace in wet machine and turned attention to out-focusing Bezzecchi, Alex Marquez and Bagnaia. Bezzecchi was starting to apply pressure on the gear when the VR46 rider crashed out at the turn 1 with 30 laps to go. The put sprint winner Bezzecchi into the runner-up spot until he fell at the same corner a few laps later, moving Alex Marquez into second and Bagnaia too. The dry weather was already bad news for front row starters. Zarco, Marquez' nearest would rival in qualifying and morning wrap-up. Zarco was holding 6th when he hit off his RCR Honda moments after Di Gianantonio at the turn 1, when while Marquez teammate Bagnaia upset with a meager 12th place in the sprint was happier on slicks. The Italian had overtaken Zarco for 5th early in the race to lead in the injured Alex Marquez, but as so often this year, could not attack in the 38. The counts ahead, which also included a crash for Pedro Acosta, 5th in the opening laps, having moved Yamaha Fabio Quartararo riding at the end of his most recent 2022 MotoGP victory to 4th place. Pramac Jack Miller was briefly ahead of the Frenchman, then had his hand full against former Adiger, Robinder, Tamarini, Jamir Fernandez, and Aigura. Aldiga overtook Miller at mid-distance, with me was whipped out by rookie Aigura again at turn 1. If IM Stewart announced no further action. Aprilia Lorenzo Savadori fell for the second time, shortly after that crash. Lucambarini riding 80% fitness in his injury return broke his RC to 33 home in 6, his best Honda result, with Rapinder also overtaking Miller into the closing stage. Miguel Oliveira presses out of 14 in the opening lap, leaving Rob Nares and Alex Rins as the only other rider to see the checkered flag. Both the KTM rider was missing from the race. Enia Bastianini to appendicitis, with teammates Maverick Vinales suffered a shoulder dislocation and fracture qualifying. VR46 Franco Morbidelli then injured his shoulder in Saturday's sprint race and withdrew from Sunday action.
Das Gresini-Team, hier ist für euch Alex Marquez. Und der Sieger zum 9. Mal erfolgreich hier beim MotoGP auf dem Sachsenring, Marquez. Marco Esser, Victory MotoGP Marketing Director, hat die Ehre, die Trophäe zu überreichen an das siegreiche Ducati Lenovo Team. Gratulation an die Fahrer und